Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some tamales de frijol or bean tamales. So we're going to be making the chile that goes into the bean. Okay, for this recipe we're going to use three chiles. Okay, we got chile ancho, chile aguillo, and chile de arbol. Okay, and we're going to be using 1 cube of the chicken bouillon. We're going to use some beans out of here. We're not going to use the whole thing, but that's what they have in the stores right now. So we're going to be getting some out of there. We're using a whole small onion. Okay? We're using the whole thing, the whole can of chicken stock. And in this, we got some salt and not sugar. We got a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, Danielle, can you help me pour this in, please?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and pour it in. Nice and easy, all the way. Everything. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Be careful. Don't drop it. Alright, while she's doing that, I want to go ahead and get this cube peeled and ready.
Is that enough?
All of it. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and pop this in there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put all these chiles in here. Get in there. And these chiles, guys, we took out all the seeds before we did all this. Okay, so it has no seeds in there. If anything, it has a little bit, like some that we missed. Okay. And now then Nelly's going to pour this in, all the seasoning, all of it. Okay, and we need
onion.
onion.
The onion. The
You got it?
onion.
Put it in there. Alright. We're going to close this up, and we're going to go down here
Down here.
to soup. Look for soup. Soup. And push it. One more time. Soup 2. Okay, guys? And that's it. Now we got to wait for it to cook and everything.
Dad, I see a
And then,
I see a little bit of seeds.
yeah, just a little bit, some of that we missed. Okay, and then,
And then the beans.
and then the beans later on. Yes, thank you. All right, so we'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, this thing is done, so we're going to go ahead and take half out, okay? And we're going to use this half for pozole or something else later on, okay? So for now, we're just going to go ahead and use half. Okay, it just came out, so it's really, really hot. I'm going to pour half in here, look at this. It's about half right there. Okay, and then for this one, we're gonna add in some beans. So it's better to have enough than not enough, right? One more. I think
That's good.
That's good. So in total, 8 spoonfuls of beans, okay? In soup 2. Alright guys, so the beans are done and we're gonna go ahead and transfer them to this bowl. And then this is gonna be our bowl for our tamales, okay? Here's one that's already pre-spread, and I'm just gonna show you how we're gonna do it, okay? Basically, here's our beans for the tamales. Okay. Okay, so all we're gonna do is go ahead and just grab a spoonful and place it on here. A couple spoonfuls. Alrighty. And now we're just gonna fold. And then, bam, you have one tamal ready to go. And that's it. So that's how we're gonna end up making the tamales, and we're gonna show you later on how we're gonna put it in the instapot. Okay, so stay tuned. Making tamales, guys. Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're making the tamales. We already got it.
Generous with beans.
Yeah, generous beans. By the way, we like the bean tamales, guys. So that's why we're making a lot of beans. That's what the kids like. That's what everybody likes. So tenfold. Alright guys, so we're ready to make these tamales. We already went ahead and prepared them. You put the masa on the husk, and then we made them out of the beans from earlier. Okay, so I didn't have the Instapot thingamajiggy that goes in here. So what I did was grab the big piece of foil and wrapped it around like a little snake. And now I'm just gonna add 2 cups of water. Okay, and this is gonna act as a barrier. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add some corn husks here to act kind of like a little barrier. Okay guys, so after we put these in, we're gonna go ahead and put the tamales face up like this, okay guys? And just go all the way around with them, okay, until we fill the pot up. I think around 36 fit in here pretty good, so that's how many we're gonna do. Alright guys, now that we got them all in here, we're gonna go ahead and cover them again. Alright guys, so we kind of made it like a crown type thing, and we're just gonna kind of fold them in. That way the lid can close properly. There we go. Alright, so now we're gonna put this on sealing to seal it. Okay, and then we're gonna come over here to steam, and we're gonna do it for 20 minutes. All right, and there you go. Start. All right, guys, this is done, so let's go ahead and open it. Okie dokie. Smells delicious. Get these leaves out of here. There was a natural vent release. I waited another about 10-15 minutes. So let's go ahead and take these out. Okay, check that out. Looks good. I think it's better to leave it probably open for a little while, another 10 minutes or so. That way they can harden up a little bit. Okay, right now they're super soft, you see? But they're cooked through, so we'll give it another 10 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been about 10 minutes with the lid open. So let's check these out, okay? Watch. There you go. See, that's a little bit better consistency. We just need to dry them out a little bit here. Boom. Okay. Check it out. They're so hot. They got really good flavor, guys. They're really, really good. So check it out, try it. And remember, only the strong subscribe.